Hey guys, welcome to How to Solution, and in this video we're going to show you guys how you can auto scroll on your Instagram Reels. So at first you have to come to Google Play Store and then search for auto scroll TikTok vids and Reels, and then you'll see this app. You have to download it, and then once it's done, click on open and then tap on the one and then go to enable permission and then search for auto scroll and go to always and then go back into the app and then select on this one and then I agree, go to accessibility and then auto scroll and then turn it on and then allow. Now go back and there you go. Make sure your Instagram Reels is turned on and on the top it will say scroll when the video ends in some cases. In other cases, scrolls every 25 seconds. And then click on start service. Come to your Instagram and select on any video. You'll see that the video will automatically be scrolled. This is it for the video. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this. And until then, take care.